Oh no, that was in 2021.
I think this is his first turn.
Testing, testing.
Not recording.
Shut up. Okay, this is winners finals. All right.
Blake, do you have a Discord message? I don't think we need to look at Blake's Discord message.
Well, where'd he go? Ah! Come back!
Oh my God.
Come back! No, where'd OBS go? Okay.
Now we have no chat.
We're super.
so
What
whatever
happened?
you
Why did
say.
you? Okay. Gay plant said taco. We have this is winners finals. TacoGuyy versus Orwolf.
I'm commentary, but I don't know.
I really haven't been paying attention to bracket because I got out way too early and then sulked in the corner for a bit. I feel weird commentating when they're right in front of me. Then I'm like, oh yeah, they have headphones on. They can't hear me. So I can talk as much shit as I want. Orwolf, I hate you. Hope you die.
Or please lose to me next time we play. Thanks.
I don't feel comfortable talking shit about TacoGuyy. I don't know him as well. But I will fight Orwolf in the parking lot. Oh, it's better than me and Swan commentating, I'll tell you that much. It's just me trying to get him to say Sukapon for 5 minutes so I can say Sukapon these nuts.
The funny thing is I actually just reposted like a few minutes ago.
Are that why people are talking?
I don't know, maybe. Might be.
But so TacoGuyy is actually not doing too bad, but Orwolf is again reclaiming his lead. Almost a whole stock here if you can just take this quick.
Wait, Orwolf not winning this.
Ooh, deep for the forward air. Didn't die for it though. Still hasn't gotten hit yet. Ooh, the bike. Ate the bike, trying to get a little percent. Ooh, ooh, still didn't. Buddy, you gotta update your drivers. TacoGuyy living to 165. The forward air doesn't do it. This is probably one of Falco's bigger weaknesses, is just fishing for a kill. Especially against another skill. Ooh, missed waft. Was really desperate. And the splits. That waft was going to be, could have been the game changer there. But I don't think he's getting another one this game. So Orwolf's probably a little bit more relieved that waft is gone. Ooh, down air. Not melee though. He's living. Oh, another spike. Ooh, and that was it. Very dominant final stock there.
Game one done. Now switch the score.
Dead.
No, then they're gonna yell at us. We're gonna get fired from our job. That we don't
I'll get paid for this. You update, please?
Click it. There you go.
Okay, we're good. Orwolf.
This is like completely different from what I used to. Just looks weird.
You probably use a good software.
I'm gonna like message Blake.
This is easy though.
It has stock icons.
I don't want to deal with that.
You can change the stock
I don't want to deal with
icon.
changing the stock icons. I like this. It's simple. I had to do the melee commentary. It's like you gotta change the color, the costume, the stocks, the name. It's like, bro, just let me put the name in. I don't care. I hated doing that for melee. I don't care. Who is watching this?
Me.
You are not. You are not watching. You're watching.
I'm currently watching this right now.
Shut up. TacoGuyy SDing early on the stuff. He wanted to use it. He wanted to get a better like layout thing, and he's like, "You can change the stock icon, the color." I'm like, "I don't want to deal with all that. I like this one. It's simple." No, I like this one. Don't change it.
Oh, that guy's watching.
Oh, Octavian Rex is watching. We got a viewer.
Oh yeah.
But now I'm commentating.
I know. That's what you like.
All right, yeah, Orwolf is barely taking any damage here. Almost another stock gone.
Oh. That would have been
Ooh,
weird.
Nair killed. Yeah, this is Orwolf's game to take here. TacoGuyy doesn't play any on the Wario, right? I have not seen him play anyone else.
Honestly, I haven't seen him play because I haven't been watching.
Ooh. Ooh! Orlov with these down air combos. I've been seeing him do these at these locals. He was doing a lot of this at Advantage State as well. He's been just playing great. Up tilt, up. In fact, some might call that a nice back air.
So I saw Luke that he was advertising his stuff earlier. So like, go check out SOD. I run online tournaments. So if you want to play in an actual tournament where I actually commentate, check that out. Thanks, Blake. Yeah. I don't get paid for this.
I don't even have a chance. You can't even sub on mine.
Well, then get affiliate.
Then stream more. Then stop complaining. TacoGuyy switching it up to Greninja. That is surprising. Again, I didn't think he played any with Wario, but maybe this is what he needs. Just gonna mess up Orlov. Getting a small lead at the beginning. Orlov immediately getting that up with a up smash there. A big smash, some would call it. He is doing better with Greninja. I don't know if that's just Orlov trying to readjust to a new character, or he really thinks Greninja is the key. I feel like a bird would eat a frog in real life, though, so that's you got to take that into account.
I just to a frog. See, if we had the stock icons, I would know.
No, that wouldn't help because it wouldn't know. Cause I wouldn't do the stock icons.
Well, then that would be your problem.
I knew he switched to Greninja. If you can't keep up, then get out of here. You know where the stock icons are? At the bottom of the screen. Look down.
Those are tiny. I need big screen. I need to take the entire screen. The
Or-
entirety of the screen. I don't want to see the
Or
game.
just
I
look
wanna
at their
see
or just look at side B spike again, but didn't die for it. Oh, nice nair. Covering a lot. Oh, did he spike already? Go fast fall. I couldn't tell there. The stream is a little laggy, so it's hard to tell exactly what's going on. Up there.
Okay, thank
Oh, we got a follower. Gay Plant followed you.
What do you gotta say?
Thanks, Gay Plant. You got Melee next week, Saturday.
No one wants to hear about your
Stop posting about Melee. Did you see that? Yes. I've been. Yeah, or another stock lead here. It's looking like this is going to be a 3-0 unless TacoGuyy pulls some crazy shit out of the bag here.
I mean, Orlov's kind of down though.
He is really good at spacing those down tilts, I've noticed, especially watching him. I require the stock icons just to cover he wants it to cover the gameplay.
That's what I wanted.
Just two stock. You know what? We'll get like the battle arena thing where they're just like smashing into each other. You don't know who's going to win until the end.
Thank you, Gay Plant.
Oop. Yeah, there it is, the nair. Clean 3-0 from Orlov there. Good showing
Just
from
like that,
TacoGuyy
that's a
still. Not a cheat.